here is the coffee grinder. And you take off the handle very easily. And you slide off the top there. And this is the compartment here for the coffee. You can see the grounds would be there. That's where the grounds would be stored after grinding. Here's the bottom of the grinder. Can't really see in there, so let me see if I can't get us better light. There we go. You can see the grinder in there. It's pretty easy to take apart and put together. Here are all the parts apart. If I had coffee right now, which I'm out, I would put my beans right in there. Pop on my cup. Stick on my handle. Okay, I can even do it one-handed. And then turn the grinder to grind, which one-handed is not as easy as it looks. So that is the coffee grinder. It's very nice. The metal is a little thin, like the top piece here is a little thin. It could be very easily bent, so be a little careful with that. But the rest of it is pretty stable and works pretty nicely.